Ayusin ko yung book ni Nigel.
What's your name? Hindi kita.
Bob Marley.
Araw! Kanta ka rin. Kanta rin.
Maglabas ka na ng tuna.
Hope you know I try to become a better man, but with you in my life, I don't think that I ever can. We're always waiting. I'm stuck debating if I ever wanna see you again. 'Cause I've grown up.
1, 2, 3.
Touch
Touch your lips. Come on, girls. Come on. Make it happen. Come on. Show me that lips. Touch that lips. Come on. Yummy.
Yummy!
But I hope you know I try. Hope you know I try
Photographer.
to become a better man. I hope you know I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but I hope you know I tried. Hope
Kami
you
din,
know
girl.
I tried to become a better man.
Hindi ako kita.
With you in my life, I don't
Nakikita ko.
Yung ano, yung back in the days, gangster shit.
Ganyan yan, girl.
Nga mo ako eh.
Hindi ah.
Di ba? Hindi ba?
Oo. Ano yun?
Saan? Tatlo.
Scale yun.
1, 2, 3.
Ang galing ni Nigel.
Galing mo. Ano naman ito?
Nigel,
Nigel, bilib na
autograph
ako
nga
sa'yo.
dito sa suso.
Autograph! Autograph!
autograph nga ako sa suso eh. Ayaw.
Saan may ilog sa
Ang taray mo!
Ang haba ng hair, girl!
May ilog sa
Kailangan
si Vic
niya.
niyan eh. No, si Vic, no? May ilog si Vic sa kanya.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Remember that?
Better picture her, homie.
Are you in a band?
Yeah.
good?
Yeah.
Previa.
Right now, I don't understand the words, but later on, I'm gonna
Hindi,
say it
meron ako
again.
sarili. Yung ano, rainbow.
That song, man. Yeah.
I create